The Vivo brand brought a vanilla Neo 10 with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, while the Pro got the newer Dimensity 9400, which is the flagship platform of MediaTek. The Duo has the same memory, battery, size, and software. iQOO has officially launched its highly anticipated performance-centric Neo 10 series in China, showcasing powerful new processors, a revamped camera island design, and new software features aimed at gaming enthusiasts. With two models, the standard Neo 10 and the more premium Neo 10 Pro, the company is offering a range of high-end specs. The Neo 10 series might look familiar to the users of last year's Neo 9 series due to its nearly identical flat design. However, there are a couple of interesting changes. The top and side bezels are now slimmer, which measures at only 1.4 millimeters, while the middle frame is still made of plastic. The camera island on the back comes with a design overhaul, and the vegan leather version also offers a new look. Moving on to the display, both the iQOO Neo 10 and Neo 10 Pro feature a 6.78-inch, 1.5K plus 144Hz 8T LTPO flat screen. The display is engineered for vibrant color reproduction and smooth visuals, making it perfect for both gaming and media consumption. The display reaches up to 1800 nits of global peak brightness and 4500 nits of local peak brightness. For context, this is up from 1400 nits HBM, 3000 nits peak of the Neo 9 series. The Neo 10 and Neo 10 Pro are equipped with the Sony IMX921 main camera sensor, offering impressive photography capabilities. The Pro model steps it up with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the standard version offers an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. There is a single 16-megapixel selfie camera behind a punch hole and a new under-display 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Both models are equipped with exclusive OIS super optical image stabilization and the new generation of VCS human eye bionic technology, ensuring sharp and stable shots in various conditions. iQOO has also integrated several flagship imaging algorithms to enhance night scenes, portraits, and motion capture. Powering the Neo 10 series is the iQOO 13's Q2 gaming chip, with the Neo 10 sporting the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and the Neo 10 Pro equipped with the Dimensity 9400 chipset. For sustained performance during longer gaming sessions, the Neo 10 series packs a 6400mm squared VC cooling. For reference, the flagship OnePlus 13 packs a 9925mm squared VC cooling. Both devices are designed to offer a seamless gaming experience with a frame rate perception engine that ensures stable frame rates for major games such as Genshin Impact. Battery life is another strong suit of the Neo 10 series, as both phones come with a large 6100 mAh battery. This is up from 560 mAh of the Neo 9 series. With 120-watt fast charging and support for the 100-watt PPS protocol, the phones charge up to 50% in 15 minutes, ensuring that users spend less time waiting for their phones to get ready. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.